Unleash, congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
The best trailers from the world cinema so far. Nan Prashne for three of you, Alia and Ramcharan sir and Junior NTR sir, about Rajamouli sir. Because when we watch his movies on screen, it is pure magic for the fans and the audience. But when the shooting process happening, ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಸೀನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂಡ್ ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್
He is torturous. He is not strict, he is not cool, he is torturous.
ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಯು
I mean, I really think she can't say that.
No, he didn't. It was lovely.
Yeah, see, for her it was lovely. But for us it wasn't lovely, no? She wasn't in that Hallinatu song. So yeah, for her she's very happy. We went through that torture there.
I remember Hallinatu, because of COVID rules in India and also some location, need of some location, he took us all the way to Europe. And in Europe, while he was shooting other scenes, I said then, Tarak, why did we come so early? Because we already rehearsed in Hyderabad. He said, all you have to do is wake up. It's not a holiday of 7 days. 7 days, each day, 6 hours or 7 hours, we were rehearsing.
Macha 7 గా 12 రోజులు 12 days.
Sorry, 10 days.
12 days.
So, I think he's the only director who's taken the artist to another country to only rehearse for 10 days. And then if he's satisfied for next, on the 11th day, he said he'll shoot. If not, the continuation of the practice would have happened for the 12th day, 13th day.
No, he's like that. You can ask even Ramagaru also. As a husband also he's like that. He wants something, that's all. Whatever you do, he wants it.
One of the steps...
And look at him. Check.
One of the steps I think you'll see, we
Yes,
did it for
trending.
17, 18 takes. Because Tarak has a style of dancing. I have a style of dancing. But I remember him saying, both have to become one style, that is Rajamouli style. So,
Yeah, so he wouldn't say Rajamouli style, but we'll have to figure it out.
Figure it out.
Yeah,
It's his
Rajamouli
style.
And when we shot for our action sequences, it was, oh my God. I've never seen him like this, ever. From the 20 years I've known him, I've never seen him like this.
Rajmouli sir, would you accept that, sir?
Yes, he has to, he will also.
Okay, I'll ask, did I ever shout on them? Just yes or no?
Yeah, it's
Did I ever
yes or
shout
no.
on them?
no. You didn't
Then,
show.
did I show my frustration on them?
There is
Yes,
power.
yes.
There is.
Yes.
When
If he shouts, it's
Every
better.
time he asked for a one more was a frustrated soul. You were a frustrated director.
No. There is a
were
lot
frustrated,
of
yes.
power in silence. That's what he maintained.
No. He asked for a one more, I disagree.
Okay, are you enjoying the success of Hallinatu? Forget
Yes,
everything.
yes.
Result
Why
of
not?
it,
Yes.
of course.
Then,
Yes,
Of
yes.
course.
Yes.
then you have nothing to complain about.
Okay. She asked, I just said, that's all. I'm not complaining.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಮಂಜು ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಜಯವಾಣಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ
Obviously, he is the story writer. All along, I was telling you how important the story is in different aspects. And when he is the story writer of the film, the story is such thing that actually, when you see a film, you don't see the story. You'll see the emotions. But all those emotions are built on like a building. No, we won't see the foundation. You only see the building. But the foundation is what makes the building happen. Like that, like you correctly said, the story is the backbone, the story writer is the backbone. Like all my films, this is also what happens. But if you actually talk about torture, you should ask my father how I tortured him. What torture I gave them is nothing compared to what torture I gave to my father.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ
ನವೀನ್,
ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ
ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು
that is a huge impact that he will create. I think the source of the film starts from that character. And you will see on the film what an impact that he will create. It will be very difficult to take it out of your heart, the impact that he creates.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್,
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್,
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್,
ಇನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
ಇದು ನವೀನ್ ಚಿತ್ತಾರಾಮಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರ್, ಇದು ಇಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ, ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು?
I think every successful film, irrespective of whether it's a dubbed film, whether it's a straight film, whether it's an other language film, success of a film creates a positive impact on the industry. See, in Telugu film industry, we have been taking dubbed films from Tamil, from Kannada, from Malayalam, from Hindi, from English for lots of years. No, that made us compete. So suppose like Shankar Sir's film is coming, that used to come with a huge budget, right? We never had that kind of budget. So how do we compete with Shankar Sir's films? That made us think even more harder, work even more harder to compete with those films. That made us better, and our markets also increased because of that. So I don't see any kind of negative impact that happens because of other films coming into our state. I always think a success of a film will create a positive impact on the entire industry, be it creative wise, be it economy wise, be it financial wise. In every aspect, I think it creates a positive impact.
ಸರ್, ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಈಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
no, see, in Bahubali, I wanted a character, and because Sudeep is my close friend, I asked him would he be interested, and he liked being a part of the story that I said, and he came and did it. There are no financial aspects in that. So see, I don't pick actors based on financial aspects. I will never do that. The moment we start doing that, then we are giving more importance to the economy than the story. We should never do that. I will never do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Can we
Rajamoli
have the
sir.
photo sessions on stage?
Sir,
Can we have the photo sessions on stage, please? Everybody silence, please. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Can these tables be removed?